Hello everyone, once again welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to solve question number 2 of exercise 4.1 of grade 9 maths. Okay, so question number 1 we have solved in the previous video. If you want to watch then please go through that video as well. Okay, so now let's begin from question number 2. Find the value of the following by using the identity a plus b whole square, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So what was in question number 1? In question number 1 we need to expand the given expression by using this identity. And now in this we have the numbers. We need to find out the square of these numbers by using this identity. So let's learn how. So it is 64 square. So how can we break this number so that it will become the identity of a plus b? 60 plus 4 whole square. Okay. So now a is 60, b is 4, and now we will use this identity a square. So what is a? 60 square plus 2ab. So 2, what is a? 60, what is b? 4, plus b square. B is 4, so 4 square. So in this question our a is 60, b is 4. Now let's further solve. It will be 3600, or we can say 3600 plus 2 6s are 12, 12 4s are 48. So what we will get? 480. There is 1 0, let's put 1 0, and 4 square is 16. Okay, so now we need to add these three. So 480 plus 16 will give you 496. So 3600 plus 496 will give you 6, 9, 6 plus 4 is this, and 4096. So our answer will be 4096. Okay. So similarly we will find the values of these. Now it is 105 square. So 105 is nearby 100. So how can we break it? 100 plus 5 whole square. Okay, so firstly write it as an identity of a plus b. Break down the number so that we will get a plus b. What is a? 100. What is b? 5. Now the identity is simple. A square plus 2ab plus b square. Learn this identity. 100 square plus 2a and b is 5 plus, now the last is b square, that is 5 square. Now let's solve it. 100 square will be 10,000. Okay, there are 2 zeros, so in the square there will come 4 zeros. Plus 2 multiplied by 100 will give you 200. 200 into 5, 1000 plus 25. 25 is square of 5. Let's add them. 10,000 plus 1,000, 11,000, and this will be 11,025. So our answer will be 11,025. Okay, in the first one the answer was 4,096. Similarly, let's do this third one. Now how can we break down this? 200 plus 5 whole square. Okay, use the same identity, a square, that is 200 square plus 2a and b is 5 plus b square. What is b? 5. So b square. So a is 200, b is 5. Now 200 square. 2 square is 4. And how many zeros? 2 zeros. So in the square how many zeros will come? 4 zeros. So it will be 40,000 plus 2 2s are 4. 4 5s are 20. So 20 and then 2 zeros, that means 2000, and 5 square is 25. So after adding, what we will get? 40,000 plus 2,000 and we will get 42,000 plus 25. So 42,025 will be our answer of this question. Okay. So whenever these type of questions are there, first write down the identity at the corner and then always learn the identity and then break down the number so that we can use that identity. So here we have broken as 60 plus 4, 100 plus 5, 200 plus 5. Suppose the question is 97 square. So how you can break this? 90 plus 7 whole square. Okay. Suppose the question is 125 square. So how can you break this? Again 100 plus 25 whole square. Or there is one more way. There are many ways. Or you can write 120 plus 5 whole square. So by both the ways you will get the same answer if you will use the correct identity. Okay. So just learn the identity and learn how to use the identity in the given questions. So if you like this video, then please share it and subscribe to my channel for more videos. See you in the next video with a new concept. Till then, goodbye. Take care. Keep practicing. Thank you.